Good day everyone. For today's topic, we're going to be discussing about the basic concept of compound interest.
Before we proceed in today's discussion, I would gladly introduce my team who's here today to discuss further terms and explanation. I am Isai Sakaria Allena Paña, and I'm here with Michelle Jane Basilio, Gelliane Fulgosino, Abril, Juliana Jovillano, Nathaniel Gaza, Sofia Guevarra, and Allena Basco. By the end of discussion, you will be able to determine the concept of compound interest, know the basic terms and notation of compound interest, apply all the elements of compound interest in real-life situations.
What is compound interest? Compound interest is calculated on both the initial principal and the total interest from prior periods when calculating interest on savings. To simply put it, it is basically the sum of money withdrawn from the original amount plus interest, and the interest money is added to the following months or years' interest.
Now we are going to discuss how to find the interest rate, time, present value, and the final amount. And we're going to start in finding the interest rate. Alex invested 5,000 pesos, expecting that it will accumulate to 15,000 pesos in 15 years. What is the nominal interest rate if it is compounded semi-annually? So let's look for the given first. Our given for P, or the principal amount, is 5,000 pesos. The given for our F, or the future value, is 15,000 pesos. The given for time is 15 years. And the given for M is it compounded semi-annually. So meaning our M is 2. And for N, to look for N, we have to multiply P and M. So 15 times 2, the answer is 30. So now we can solve for the I. So to solve for I, we have the formula F over P raised to 1 over N minus 1. So let's substitute. F is equals to 15,000 and P is equals to 5,000 raised to 1 over N. N is equals to 30 and then minus 1. Here we can use scientific calculator to look for the answer. And the answer is 0.0373. This is our I. Now we can solve for the R. So to look or solve for the R, we have to multiply I and M. So let's substitute. Our I is 0.0373 times our M, which is 2. And the answer is 0.0746. And we will convert it into percent, so the final answer is 7.46%. Here is our interest rate. Next is let's find out how to find the time.
Belle makes an investment worth 12,000 pesos in a savings bank, paying 11% compounded quarterly. If she withdraws all her investments and the interest, which amounts to 17,000 pesos, for how long did she invest her money? First, let's identify the given numbers. Our given numbers are P equals to 12,000, F equals to 17,000, R equals 11% is equals to 0.11. Our M is equals to 4, and our I is equals to R divided by M equals to 0.11 divided by 4 equals 0.0275. Now, since our missing value is time and the formula for time is N divided by M, we need to find the value of N first. And the formula of N is log base 10 of f over p over log base 10 of 1 plus I. Then all we need to do is substitute the given numbers to the formula. And it will be log base 10 of 17,000 over 12,000 over log base 10 of 1 plus 0.0275. Then compute, and our value of n will be 12.84. Lastly, we need to divide n to m in order to get our time. Again, substitute the given numbers and it will be 12.84 divided by 4. Then compute, and our final answer is 3.21 years or 3 years and 2 months. That will be our value for time.
Third, let's find out how to find the present value.
Mr. Bean wants to have 50,000 pesos in his account by the end of 3 years. How much should he invest today in the bank, paying 10% interest compounded semi-annually? First, we need to identify the given numbers. Our given numbers are F is equals to 50,000, our T is equals to 3 years, our R is equals to 10%, which is 0.1 when we convert it to decimal. Our M is equals to 2, and in order to get our I, we need to divide R to M, and that will be 0.1 divided by 2, which is 0.05. In order to get our N, we need to multiply M to T. That will be 2 times 3, which is 6. Next, since our missing value is the present value or the principal amount, the formula that we will be using is F over 1 plus I quantity raised to n. Now, all we need to do is to substitute the given numbers to the formula and compute for the final answer. After substituting the given numbers, the formula will be 50,000 over 1 plus 0.05 quantity raised to 6. Now, we just compute, and after computing, our final answer will be 37,310.77. That will be our present value or our principal amount.
And fourth is, let's find out how to find the final amount.
Athena deposited 2,000 pesos in a bank with 16% interest compounded quarterly. How much will she have in her account at the end of 1 year? To find the final amount, we need to first identify the given informations. That leads us to P is equals to 2,000, T is equals to 1 year, R is equals to 16% converted to decimals will be 0.16. I is equals to R divided by M is equals to 0.16 divided by 4 is equivalent to 0.04. M is equals to 4. N is equals to M multiplied by T is equals to 4 multiplied by 1 is equals to 4. Now, for the next step, to find the final amount, we'll proceed to computation. We're going to use the given formula F is equals to P multiplied by 1 plus I quantity raised to N. Now we need to substitute the given informations to the formula. It will equals to 2,000 multiplied by 1 plus 0.04 raised to 4. After that, our final answer will be 2,339 pesos point 72 cents.
And that's all. Thank you for watching our video and have a great day. Bye!